So this year at Hillhead 2024, we've brought our brand new ADM drum drive rig. We've just finished it this month in preparation for Hillhead. And what it's here to do is show customers the contrast between the drum drive and the status quo of the right angle bevel helical gearbox. The base unit for the drum drive is a Bonfiglioli 805W. It's at home in the quarrying industry because we're into harsh, dusty, wet environments. In recycling, you tend to have a lot of fine dust. What can happen in that fine dust is that on a gearbox that has exposed seals, we can get penetration on the R23 seal on the shafts, which then leads to premature failure. We can also get things like magnetic tape wrapping around shafts, which then creates a lot of friction, creates drag, and then increases the currents on the motor. So the main features that we see in the drum drive, firstly, is the zero exposed oil seals. The next feature would be the fact that the gearbox itself acts as the bearing because it's offered inside the drum as the OEM will manufacture it. So that means that you can do away with your bearing on your drive side, and if you've got a dual drive, it means you've no bearings on the head drum with the conveyor. The next section would be the fact that it's a lot smaller and it's a lot lighter, so it's ideal for mobile applications where space and weight is a problem. So one of the benefits of the drum drive is reducing the overhung load. When we do that, we offer the gearbox inside the drum, which means it's a lot easier on the application, it's easier on the structure of the conveyor. Another one of the benefits is the fact that we've used a smaller frame size motor. We've used a permanent magnet motor, and the contrast between the two that you'll see on the rig is that the motor itself weighs 85 kilos as a 15 kilowatt permanent magnet motor versus the other side, which weighs about 150 kilos as an asynchronous. The gearbox itself is about 1/3 of the weight as well, which also helps. We're here at the Hillhead 2024 show on the CDE stand, and I'm here with Kevin Valli, Director of Engineering. So Kevin, how has the launch of your new product been at Hillhead?
Yes, James, we launched the Pro Press yesterday here at Hillhead. It's been very, very well received by lots of our existing customers and new customers that have come on the stand. Lots of new features on the product. It's been a combination of years of hard work, and we engaged with Technidrive at that time, and there's been good collaboration and good support between Technidrive and CDE and some of the key features of the product. So commissioning has went smoothly, and we're delighted with the performance of the product so far.
Fantastic. Well, I'm looking at it now and watching Tony speak yesterday. It's a fantastic product, and I wish you all the best.
Thank you, James.